Hello, good evening, welcome back to the channel. We're working on doing the headers to the car. So let me get in here quick and pop this because we already did start working on it. I know I said we were gonna do the whole video, but I mean, we just took some stuff off the car. As you can see here in the engine bay, we took the front mount off so that we can access, or the top mount, what the heck am I talking about? We took the intercooler. We took the intercooler off the car so we could gain access to the turbo and get all of the up pipe bolts off. Yeah. We do have everything underneath of the car taken off. Right there's the underpan. There's all the fluid from my little incident I was telling y'all about. With the power steering fluid. So we do have all of that, and we did start working on taking the headers off last night. There's 6 header bolts, or nuts really, nut on stud sort of deal. So we got 5 of the 6 off. The 6th one's giving us a big problem. It got stripped. It is bad news bears. So we have to get in there and we have to try to get it off. So that is currently what we are doing. We are going to be underneath of the car with a lot of heat, some cutting power, and some wrenching power. We're gonna see if we can get this thing off so we can start working on getting the headers on the car. And I just want to see these headers go on, hear what it sounds like, so on and so forth. There's a lot of issues with that, and it beats me up a little bit, but it's not a big deal because the car, if I have to have it sit for a long time, I can. So it's no big deal at the moment. So we're just gonna get back underneath the car, keep working at it, and hopefully we can get that son of a bitch off of that, because it is being such a pain in the neck. It's not fun at all. We worked on this bolt last night for probably 2 to 3 hours, and there's just no headway in it, and there's no possible way we're getting this off with just wrench or even a strip bolt remover, and it's just not going to work. So we're going to perform some surgery underneath the Subaru tonight. I will show you some pictures if I can get it off. So we're going under. Wish me luck. All right, everybody. Just got out from underneath of the car here. Finally, some progress. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, it's hard to tell from the top side, but we got everything off. We got the old stupid headers off and that up pipe off. And that was a pain in the neck. I mean, it wasn't that bad once I had the proper stuff. The night we were working on it, when the bolt or the nut stripped, we just kind of all got flustered. And then even the next day when I came out, I got flustered doing it. So tonight we just said, screw it, we're just gonna start working on it. And so, we are getting it. We finally got them off. We're going to set the studs in the new up pipe. Get those kind of taken care of. And then we're going to try to get at least the up pipe on here. And then we also had to take the down pipe off because when you're doing the up pipe, there's 2 nuts that you have to get to that is literally, I don't know if you can see that where my finger is, but there's 2 of the nuts that you have to take off to get the up pipe off are right there, and you can't get to it with a wrench or a socket without taking the down pipe off. So it saves you it's a little bit more, I want to say more time, just time consuming a little bit. Don't know if that really makes sense, but it's what we had to do. It was the easiest way. Disconnecting the up pipe from the headers and then wiggling that piece out. Just glad they were off after the little incident we had with the strip nut. So we're going to start putting some things on here where I'm going to hold the headers up to the cylinder here, the cylinder heads here, and we're going to go ahead and try and see if it fits up and adjust them if we need to, because the Tomeis are adjustable. So we're going to go ahead and make sure they're in the right position. So then we can go ahead and wrap them, and then we can go ahead and put them on the car. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We'll bring up some updates when we're setting the studs and also when we are wrapping the headers. All right, everybody, it's a new day. I've been taking some breaks on this just because I've been waiting for one of my friends to bring some of his tools down so we can extract the stud out of the block where the headers bolt up. But we do have some significant progress. As you saw, we have the down pipe, or the up pipe, I'm sorry, the up pipe and the headers off of the car, the stock ones. And we did have to take the down pipe off, as you see it's hanging there. But what we did get done is we're about to hook the down pipe back up, and we got the up pipe on. Let me get underneath of the car here and show you real quick. Oh yeah, to get under here and see that new flange and the new pipe going up to the turbo, the part I'm waiting on. You can see the stud's about half the length. We had to cut it. The stud wasn't coming. I didn't have the parts for it. I was getting peeved. And so I said, screw it, took the Dremel with a cutting blade and cut that son of a gun off. So I look back on it, I wasn't all that smart, and I kind of regret my decision, but what can you do? What's is in the past is the past for a reason. But we're gonna get that out, hopefully, and get the headers on hopefully tonight. So I'm going to work on getting the down pipe on right now, and my buddy's gonna be coming over with all of his other tools that I don't have to try to extract that stud, and then we will be putting the headers on and seeing what it sounds like. So we're not too terribly far away, but in the same rights we are, because I gotta wait for somebody to get here with tools that I don't have, that I need. So other than that, things are as usual, going to plan, and the beautiful STI will sound even better, spool a little quicker here in just a few hours. So we'll keep you updated as we go on. I'll take a video here after we get the down pipe on and show you the progress. Literally just the headers have to go on almost at this point. So we're close, but not close enough. So I'll keep you updated as we get things going. Still got to wrap the headers. There's still some stuff to get done. So we're gonna get working. We'll keep you updated. All right, we're back. Headers are going on today. What we're doing right now is we got them test fit. These stupid things are adjustable, so we pulled those out and had to, you can see we separated it and then tightened them back down. So that was a pain in, you know. So Tristan came to keep the mood light so I didn't have to keep taking breaks and kill myself, because we are going to be getting this thing done today. I promise, mark my words. So what we're doing right now is we're just wrapping them. You can see we got this runner here all done and nice and looking. It's not hard, it's just these stupid metal zip ties that they send them with don't want to get tight. So other than that, we're gonna wrap the rest of them here, show you a picture of what, show you a video clip of what it looks like when they're done. Then we're going to install them finally, and then we're gonna take care of that nasty leak in the back too, so then crisp sounding goodness the whole way around. So it's as we get this done and put the car on and headers on the car, sorry, and hopefully it sounds really good. Kind of skeptical at this point. Been working way too hard at this for a job that should have taken 2 hours. So we'll see. All right, so we got the headers wrapped. There's some spots that I didn't get good coverage on, but that's okay, because I was almost out of wrap. So if I would have wrapped them the way I wanted to, I wouldn't have had enough. So those are wrapped. We're gonna get underneath of the car and we are going to bolt everything up and get everything ready. And then within the next, hopefully 30 minutes or so, we will have a sound clip for you and get everything ready Let me just get under here and show you, because we're just gonna work right on through until it's done. So basically, there was 6 bolts for the headers. There was 3 on the driver's side and 3 on the passenger side. There's only gonna be 2 on the passenger side, because I myself got very mad and just cut it off because the bolt got stripped and then we couldn't get the stud out. Then I just said screw this and cut it. So we're gonna throw them up there with that off and just see, and if it doesn't leak, then we're good. If it does, then, you know, we're gonna pull the stud, try to get the stud out, and go from there. So, wish us luck, here we go. All right, got everything done. We even undid the whole exhaust and straightened everything up. So we should not have any leaks, at least from what we did previously. And got the headers on and connected to the up pipe. So what I'm about to do is we're gonna get under the car and we're going to just do the one downpipe bolt that we can't reach from the top, get that nice and tight, and then we're gonna tighten the rest of the downpipe bolts and then we're gonna fire her up. All right. Yep. So Tristan here is finishing up tightening some things on the intercooler. Chris is over there helping him. So we're getting everything buttoned up here and it shouldn't be too long, and then we'll get a little drive note on it and get some insight of what Chris thinks of driving it. And then that'll be that. So we're gonna fire this thing up here probably within the next, soon. Not gonna say a time like I did last time because I don't know. Shouldn't be long though. And then we're going to go on a drive and see how it sounds. Just checking in. Ran out of daylight, so we didn't get to go and test drive it and get any video because you couldn't see anything. So we'll have to get a video once we get the Subaru fixed up. I'll explain later. But need to go undergo some surgery on the Subaru. But after we get all that done and get our road ready again, we will definitely be getting some more videos and clips of that for you guys. But there's a lot of time and effort and everything that needs to go into the Subaru at the moment. And the Charger should be not too much longer. I know I've been talking about this car for a long time. You only saw a couple videos of it, and it's been gone for about almost 7 months now, but it should be one badass ripper when it gets back. So we're just going to play it by ear, and when that car gets back, we're gonna have a lot of fun, do a lot of videos, do a lot of testing, because it's gonna be a whole nother ball game of car from what you guys remember seeing it in the previous videos. So anyway, I don't want to bore you too much here at the end of the video, so please just hang in there. We got some more stuff coming on the channel. Might even start going out and doing our reviews again here, even though it's coming into the winter time, which kind of sucks, but we'll still get nice days. We'll still be able to do it, and it'll actually make it probably more fun on some days, getting a 4-wheel drive vehicle, taking it through the snow, up mountains and stuff. So we'll see what kind of content we can bring. Anyway, thank you guys all for the support, subscribing to the channel and everything. So for anybody new, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and we're gonna catch you later. See ya.